Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your font size on your iPhones or iPads, pretty much any iOS device. Now, this is very easy to do. What you want to do to change this is you want to go over to your settings and open up your settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down until you see display and brightness. Click on display and brightness, scroll down, and you will see two options here. One to bold the text, so you can click on this to bold it. And if you want to keep that, you can go ahead and keep that. If you don't like it, you can undo it. But to change the size, you just want to go above that to text size. And then you'll notice once you play around with the item at the bottom, it will then change the size of the text. So you can go ahead and decide what text that you want here, depending on the size. This will change the text in pretty much everything, the applications in your iMessage and stuff like that. So what I would recommend is going to try the different sizes, seeing how it looks first in the applications that you use the most, and then coming back and changing it around and finalizing it. Anyhow, once you're done, all you have to do is back out and the text size will be changed. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to change your text size. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.